Alright, as you can see, now we have smoke wafting through the air. I don't know if I had this camera on during that scene that I just recorded or not. I may have, I may not have, I don't know. Doesn't matter, I'm rusty, I'm out of practice. It's been a month since I made a video, so bear with me, please.
From the Garden of the Grills, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0 and welcome to what I believe might be my 10th pork loin video. 9 years, 10 pork loin videos. That's a long time. That's a lot of videos. I guess if you've been around for almost a decade, you're going to have a lot of everything. Anyway, today's pork loin is going to be a Mango Madness pork loin. I'm going to inject it with this stuff. Good old Jumex Mango Nectar. And we're going to finish it off with some more mango goodness. We are going to inject some mango juice into a pork loin. This is actually 2 pork loins. Not a whole lot of prep to do on this. Our grill dome is coming up to temperature quite nicely. Let's get this pork butt on. So let's get her set up. Deflector, also acting as a drip catcher. Here we have a mixture of fruit wood. This is cherry wood. It's got apple wood in it. Might have pear, might have peach, I don't know. It might even have mango in it, you never know. It's been soaking for about an hour actually, because this video has been taking a long time to go, you know, to make. So I'm just going to lay it out along the perimeter. That should be plenty. Close enough to the fire, because the fire is growing. Yeah. Ooh, and it looks like I'm putting on a bunch. This stuff kind of burns quickly too, so. The perimeter is where you want it. Alright, now. Okay, our grill grate. Okay. So let those heat up for a moment. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Mango Madness pork loin number 1. Pork loin number 2. Now I'm running this grill dome really low and slow. I'm gonna go 225 to 250 on this. Simple reason being I want this along low and slow. I want this as tender as possible, and I'm in no hurry tonight. So this could take maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, possibly 2.5 hours. We'll see. All right. See you soon. Another mistake I made just now. I'm going to put a probe into the thickest part of the, let's go there. Do that one. This one's a little bit thinner. They will probably be done at roughly the same time, but I just want to make sure that they will be. All right, now I can go in and have a beer or something. Stick around. All right, because this pork loin was split right down the middle lengthwise, this is not taking long to cook at all. We're right at about 120, 125. I'm going to start hitting it with this stuff. This is a mango chutney from Patax. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a pretty popular brand. A lot of people have been using it for years, but we're going to glaze these 2 pork loins, which should be just 1 pork loin. We're going to do that right now. Ta-da! Ooh, they smell good. They smell really good. All right. Mango chutney. Whoops. Spill it all over your grill dome there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy. See the big chunks of mango in there? Oh yeah. Okay. Just really gonna liberally put this on. And maybe in 5 or 10 minutes, dinner time. I want that big chunk right there, man. Woohoo. All right. There we go. Yeah. All right. I'm guessing no more than 5 to 10 minutes for this to set up. The felt on my grill dome is original. I've never had to replace it. So if anything spills on it, I'll wipe it up. This grill dome is amazing. Okay, I'm guessing no more than 5 to 10 minutes before this sets up, and we're eating. So, all right, total mission elapsed time of about 37 minutes, if my calculations are correct, with about a 7-minute, baste or glaze or whatever it is I'm doing right now. Let's take a look and see what we've got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And these are done. There. And like I mentioned earlier, because these are so thin, it didn't take long to cook at all. Oh man, but they smell good. They look great. I think everything about this is an ultimate success. What do you think? Ultimate win. See inside. This is so good. We're going to do our Yasamatoro Borai right here. Cheers. I like chutney. All right, catch you next time. We're gonna eat. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.